Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in lecture 8. Students, I hope you are enjoying online classes and learning many more. Today we are going to discuss exercise B2. It is on book at page number 18. First, I want to explain predator and prey. First, predator. A predator is an animal that hunts and eats other animals. Prey. A prey is an animal that is hunted for food by other animals. Here are given 3 columns. In column A, the animal types are given. In column B, their descriptions, and in column C, their examples are given. Dear students, here I will explain few numbers from column A, B and C. Other remaining numbers you will do by yourselves. In column A, first word is herbivore. Its description is in column B. Animal that eats only plants. It is description of herbivore. And examples are cow, horse in column C. You will write number 1, near animal that eats only plants in column B, and in column C, give also number 1 near cow, horse. Now come on number 5. Student, are you looking at number 5? Number 5 is scavenger. Its description is animal that eats other dead animals which it has not killed itself. And examples in column C, vulture, hyena. Student, you will give number 5 near its description in column B and also number 5 with example in column C. Now look at number 10. Number 10 is parasite. Its description is animal that lives on other animals, often drinking their blood. And examples are fleas, mosquitoes. You also give number 10 with its description in column B and examples in column C. Student, other you will do by yourselves on book at page number 18. Is it clear, student? Note. Dear student, जब आप मैचिंग करेंगे, ज्वाइनिंग करेंगे, उस टाइम आपने लाइन लगा के ज्वाइन नहीं करना, लाइन ड्रा नहीं करनी, आपने नंबरिंग देनी है. अगर आप नंबर 1 कर रहे हैं, हर्बीवोर लिखेंगे नंबर 1, तो कॉलम बी में जो उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन होगी उसके साथ भी नंबर 1 लिखेंगे, कॉलम सी में जो उसकी एग्जाम्पल होगी उसके साथ भी नंबर 1 लिखेंगे. इसी तरह नंबर 2, 3